Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome to day 7 of our trip to Japan. Today we are going to make what the Japanese refer to as sample foods. So let's get right into it.
Today we're in a place called Gujo Hachiman. It's out in the middle of the mountain, pan out. Okay, believe it or not, apparently this village is known for making wax food that they use in restaurants to display what they serve. We're going to go over there and make a few products and we'll show you how it comes out. Let's head on over there.
Our first attempt is to make tempura. The first step was to pour melted wax into water from high up. By doing so, the wax splatters and gives it the appearance of deep-fried tempura batter. Then we take the plastic shrimp, place it in the wax that looks like batter, and begin to fold it and cover the entire shrimp. Now that it's done, it's a matter of placing it in some cold water to solidify it. And now we get to watch poor man test his skills. For this one, we'll just let you watch the video and see how long it takes you to guess what it really is. It looks to me like one of those creatures from Aliens that jumps on people's faces and grabs a hold of them. If you haven't guessed by now, ta-da! It's lettuce. Once again, let's take a look at poor man and see how well he does. Oh my goodness, he actually did it right. And here are the final results, along with a few pictures of all the things that they do here at the store. Unfortunately, it was around this time that Mrs. Poorman started to become very ill. We had several other workshops planned throughout Japan for the rest of the week that we weren't able to attend. But the main thing is that Mrs. Poorman's feeling much better. We can always do those workshops again next year. So this video concludes our trip to Japan. And starting next week, I've got some doozies that I've been working on for projects around the house. So we hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.